students, today in this session we are going to learn how to write lost and found notices. And here is your question. You lost your wristwatch in the school auditorium. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board giving a detailed description of the watch. You are Anu or Anup of class 12 of Lakeshore School, Pune. Now here are the value points to write a lost and found notice. Article lost or found. You have to mention the date, time and place where you lost or found the item. Identification marks of the item lost. If the item or the article lost is a purse, file or something else, then you have to mention what it contains, whom to contact and when and where to contact. Now it is very important for you to read the question properly because 30% of the answer is present in the question itself. Now let us move over to the answer of this question and learn how to write it. Now this is the answer to the question. In the first line, we have to write the name of the organization or the institution. Now we have written here Lakeshore School, Pune as it is given in the question. Then, according to the format of a notice, we write the word notice. Then on the left hand side corner, we write the date. The date should be written in this manner itself and not in an hyphenated manner. Then the title either lost or found, or according to your creativity you can also write here lost a watch or lost and lost. And let us begin this notice as we begin all the other notices. This is to inform that. Now you have to mention what you have to inform, that you have lost a wristwatch. Now what has been answered here? In the school auditorium. Where you have lost? In the school auditorium. So what is over? Where it is over. Now we have to mention the date and the time. So on which date? On 10th May 2020. And what is the time that you have lost it? During the lunch interval. Now if you are going to mention the time, you can mention here instead of during you have to write at 10 o'clock or at 2 o'clock. You have to mention here in this way. Now you are going to describe the watch. It is Swiss military watch with a stainless steel chain and a red cross mark imprinted on the dial at the bottom. This is the description of the watch. This line is mandatory for all lost notices, that the finder will be suitably rewarded. And at the end of the notice you have to write whom to contact. If found, kindly contact the undersigned, that is the person who has signed in here. Now two names have been given in the question, Anu and Anup. We have chosen the name Anup. Anup has signed here and then written the name Anup. We have added a surname to him, that is KJ. Class has already been provided in the question. So here you are not supposed to just write the word signature but actually make a sign. Now the most important thing in a lost and found notice is the date, because in most of the notices this date is prior to the date mentioned here. For example, in the meeting notices, this date will be earlier and this will be later. But see here that this date is later and this is earlier, because only when you lose something, only then you can write a notice, or you find something and then you can write a notice about that you have lost it or found it. So you have to be careful about the date that you mention here and here. But in all the other notices you will find that the date here will be earlier than the date mentioned here. Okay. Now this is the assignment for you. You lost a library book in the school. Draft a suitable notice for the school notice board add other